Shenzhen Fuyuandian Power Company Limited mainly operates LED power supplies. With many years' efforts, we've had rich experience in the development of electronic products. In order to meet the market demands and provide quality products, we've established a set of scientific and feasible cost control system from purchase to production, and a set of strict quality control system from raw materials to products. Our products include 3 watts to 300 watts adapters with over 560 different models. Our products acquired CBUL, FCC, CEKC, PSE, TUV, GS, BS, SAA, CTIC, MEPS, ROHS, LVD, and EMC certifications. Our products are widely used in different industries such as security monitoring, network, electric tool, etc. Welcome to visit.